everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't been doing videos lately, just because we've had a bereavement in the family and my mum hasn't been at all very well. So I've had to take time off and look after my family sort of thing. So today we've got an unboxing and it is Love Lula. Love Lula is about £13 a month. I think it's £13.99 a month I pay for it, but I will leave it in the description box down below, the actual proper price of it, because you will want to know. And Love Lula is it's like 100% natural sort of good, they're good products. They are like vegan, well, cruelty free and all of that sort of stuff. So yeah, so we're just going to get into it. This is the March box. There is no box inside of this, so it's literally, I open it up and just pull products out. So the first one I'm going to pull out is a Nourish and Condition paraben free. Oh, this is a hair conditioner. Now, I love hair products. This is the hair conditioner. It's paraben free, so it's suitable for normal hair. So what I'll do is I'll take them out and then we'll just have a little, so look at them. Right, that's the way we're going to do it. Right, oh, we've got a nail varnish. This will probably go in my 300 subscribers giveaway, so get subscribing if you want this nail varnish. And this won't be shipped to international countries. This is just for the UK, because I can't ship nail varnish. So what I've chanced to do is two giveaways, one for international and one for UK. Because that makes it fair, because I still want to look after my international subscribers. Right, okay, so the next item, oh, this feels a bit big. It's a little tough, big. What is it? Oh, this is a natural deodorant stick. Oh my gosh, I think that will be absolutely fine. I'm looking forward to opening that. This is the Elsa's natural deodorant stick. Right, okay, so then the next item, what we got is what are you? You are a laid bare, guess my age, anti-aging treatment cream. So there we go. And what else is in this box? There's something else, and it is a Hydro Bright Night Treatment, Night Complex Treatment. It's an anti-tox silk. There we go. And what else is in this? So there we go, we have the shampoo. That makes perfect sense, so you can actually get a true idea of what this product is like. So I think that might be the last item, because it just feels like there's loads and loads of wormies and popped out. Right, so it just tells you a bit about Love Lula, the Natural Beauty Club. Love Lula is join the conversation. It just tells you to join it on the Facebook page. So you see Love Lula, and it's just the wormies that's actually all left in there. So we're gonna have a look at this. This is what is intriguing me. This is the Elsa's natural deodorant stick, and it's fragranced ocean. If I can actually get into it, so here we go. Oh, it has a lovely scent of like a light mint. It is really nice. I'm just going to put a bit on. Oh yes, I do like that. That's really nice. That's like calming, relaxing, like a nice mint scent. I do like that. That's really good. And it says that this is 100% natural, and it's our toxin-free deodorant, which is effective for adults and teens and tweens. I think they're being a bit silly there. Teens and tweens. So yes, this is really good. Right, reet. There we go. There's my Geordie coming out of me. Reet. It'll be reet. No, this is right good. Yeah, this is good. This is super concentrated formula. It feels a bit sticky, and as that is still on, so yeah, so that's going to be really good underneath your sweaty bits. Right, so there we go, and then we're going to have a look at whatever else come out of there. This was the shampoo, and I want to see if this has a nice scent to it. Well, it is paraben free, which is good because you don't want parabens. Nobody wants parabens this day and age, so we want it to be, it will have a tab on it, probably that's why it's not coming out. Has it got a silver tab? Yes, it does. It has the dreaded silver tab. Right, so are we going to get it now? Is it going to come out? It should do, because I've just opened it. Yeah, but there we go. It's like a gel. You see it? It's like just a gel. It doesn't have any scent at all, really. No scent at all. It's like just what you'd want, because you don't want a lot of scented stuff on your hair, really, because you don't want chemicals. Well, I'm not keen about the dust that's on it. It's been stored for a while when it's dusty. Right, okay, so this is the conditioner, and do you know what, I'm just not going to open that because you'll just know what it's like. And so we got this, didn't we? We got that, and I'm not going to open that. So we got this. This is also the cream, and this is way bare. This has no petrochemicals, no sulfates, no synthetic fragrance, no synthetic colours, TD, glycols, animal testing. So it's totally bare. Right. As bare as can be, I suppose. So let's just, I'm going to have to rip the box because the box never opens. And what I will do is also I will put the prices down below of the actual products because you want to know. And so this is like an everyday moisturising cream. There's no scent at all, which you wouldn't want a scent. If it says no scent, you want it to be no scent, don't you really? No fragrance. But you want it to work. Alright, so it's just actually just lathered up really. And really it's not really what I would really like. It's not doing what I really like. It's just actually sticking there for quite a long time. So probably I'm not going to use that. Probably I'll just give this away to somebody that wants it. And yeah, so that's probably what I will do. Right, okay, so that is the end of this video. And then you'll see, oh, do we have a card? Maybe this is why I have the prices of the items that I want. Oh, right, so if you want any of the items in this box, you will get 20% off. And all you do is you just use the code BBMAR18. BB March 18. BBMAR 18. Right, so and that's all you do. And yeah, so it just goes on about it. The total of this month's box was £43. So remember, I paid 13, and you are getting an absolute bargain with this box. I actually just love this box because you just actually get more products for your money. And that is why I do love it. So yep, so if you enjoyed my video and I cheered you up, please give me a like and please subscribe to my channel, and also press the little notification bell, and that will notify you when I upload. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye.